Dear children, class 3 social studies. In this video, we are going to see about our chapter 5, our country. This is the second part of the chapter. In the first part, we learned about our country, introduction, and the features of our country, India. Now, in this part, we are going to see the major landforms one by one in detail. The first landform is the mountains. The mountains are nothing but very high lands. They are the raised lands with the pointed tops. We have a huge range of mountains called Himalayas on the northern part of India, which extends from Jammu and Kashmir till Arunachal Pradesh, from west to east. It is a huge range of mountains. The Great Himalayas are the highest mountains, and it's 8,848 meter high above the sea level. The next physical feature, the next landform are the plains. You children, you will go out to play out with your friends. You will prefer to play on a playground because it is a flat area. The plains are nothing but they are the large, flat, unlevel area of a state or a country. The northern plain regions are very fertile because many rivers which originate from the northern mountains, they are perennial and they flow through the northern plain region. The river basin, the major river basin like Satluj Basin, the Ganga Basin, and Brahmaputra Basin. All these basins, along with the tributaries, flows on the northern plain region. So the land here is very fertile and suitable for the cultivation of crops. And many people in the northern plain region, and their occupation is agriculture and farming. They do more agriculture because the land is very fertile here. The next major landform, they're the plateaus. Plateaus are nothing but they are the flat areas on the top of the hills. You can admire the beautiful plateau picture here. And this is the picture of Deccan Plateau. And the plateau region occupies major part of India. It is in the central part of India. It is triangular in shape. Rivers like Krishna, Godavari, Mahanadi, and Kaveri, they flow through the Deccan Plateau region. The highest plateau is the plateau of Tibet, which is in China. This is the highest plateau in the world. The next landform is the deserts. The deserts are the sandy areas. You can see the sands are flying here. And the temperature here is very hot. Always in the physical map, the deserts are shown in yellow color and it gets scanty rainfall, very less amount of rainfall. So the temperature on the desert region is very hot. There is one and only desert in India that is called as Thar Desert. It is located in Rajasthan. This Thar Desert occupies the major portion of the Rajasthan state. The next landform is the coastal plains. The coastal plains are the land areas which are located near the coast, along the coast, along the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. We have the western coastal plain, which is between Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. We have the eastern coastal plain, which is between Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. So there are two coastal plains, eastern and western. Last landform is the islands. They are the land masses covered by water, a piece of land which is covered by water on all the sides. We have Andaman and Nicobar on the Bay of Bengal. This is the map of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, which is in Bay of Bengal. And we have an island called Lakshadweep. This is Lakshadweep. We can see small islands. These islands all together are called as Lakshadweep. It is located in Arabian Sea. It also comes under the India's feature. Thank you, children. Hope you all understood all the major landforms of India. Soon we'll meet you in the next video.